Hi everyone, my name's Coco, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour and telling you about the STEAM room. First, let's start with a tour.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming to visit us in the STEAM lab here in the senior school. All the tools and technologies here really make this a great place to work and learn. What really makes this room though come alive are the students who come in here to design and learn and create their unique projects. It is so exciting to work alongside students as they research a problem or an idea that they're interested in and then choose a design or technologies that help them find the best solution. When you take a look around the room, you can really see all the different skills that the students have chosen to use in their projects. We learn a lot from the designs that don't work the way we expect them to, and we get really excited when we're able to take what we've learned and use it to create a version of the design that actually works. Coco's going to tell you more about a lot of the different things that we get to do in the STEAM lab.
And Mr. Lee is the other ADST teacher. The STEAM room is a great place to explore what you are interested in and have the freedom to try and fail. There are so many cool projects that have been made in this room. Here, I'll show you some. Here in the STEAM room, we have so many tools and technology that you can use to build really cool projects. We have the laser cutter, we have the 3D printer, and of course we have our really cool tools. One of the exciting things about designing is when you can help other people. For example, meet Megalodon, the robot who helps people waiting in line. And then, this is Dot, the robot who helps people carry their school supplies. It wouldn't be a video about the STEAM room if I didn't include our very own class pet, T-Vex. T-Vex is a robot I made, and he spends his entire day exploring the classroom and the entire school saying hi to everyone. Everyone, say hi to T-Vex.
It has been such a pleasure to work with the students that have come up here from junior school. They are just always ready to learn and ready to make mistakes. They think about what they're doing and they make decisions about what to do next. I really look forward to working with all of you when you make it up here into grade 8. Thank you for letting us be a part of your assembly, and a big thank you to Coco for putting this video together.
Thank you.